Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just giving it a second here while Facebook and YouTube do its thing. We are going live and we are broadcasting in both YouTube Live and on Facebook on several of our Facebook pages here. And today I'm excited to share with you guys the numbers that have just come out for the November Real Estate Housing Update Report. And for those of you who've never seen this before, my name is Alex. I'm a local real estate agent with eXp who specializes in the North Dallas area, specifically Frisco, Plano, McKinney, Prosper, Salina, and Little Elm. So what I'm doing is a little bit different than what we've done in the past. I'm now going to be doing a once a month housing update report. And in the attachments below this video, in the actual post, you're going to notice that I'm going to be providing you guys with customized links for specific cities that we generate real estate market update reports for. So this way, no matter where you're listening in from, whether it's Frisco, Plano, McKinney, you could actually download the customized report that we provide just for you in your city, so you could see what's happening as it relates to your city, because every market in the area is slightly different. Price points are different from McKinney than they are, say, in Frisco or Prosper in Plano. So we're hoping that this is a better format to service you guys so you can download what's most important to you. And if you're thinking about moving from one area to another, now you get to see what's happening in multiple different markets. So let's go ahead and dive into this month's market update report. I'm going to share my screen here. And as you guys can see, this is the November report, came out November 1st. And this is the North Dallas suburbs. And again, that is including Frisco, McKinney, Plano, Prosper, Little Elm, the Colony, all the areas in the North Dallas suburbs that we service. And the market continues to be very, very, very good. About 60% of all the homes that are on the market right now already have an offer. We call that the pending ratio. That's an exciting number. That is insane right now. It just speaks to the amount of home buyers who are active right now in the market, that 60% of all the homes on the market already have an offer on them. That is absolutely incredible news. So there's about, let's see here, there's about 1,288 homes available that don't have an offer right now. So 1,288 that are available, free, clear, no offers. There's 3,159 total homes on the market, but 1,871 of them already have an offer. Just crazy good news right now in the market. Over here, you'll notice that the price range that's really been attracting a lot of attention in our market is really that $400,000 to $500,000 price range is where we've seen the largest number of inventory of homes coming on the market, and home buyers have been extremely active, pretty much from that $300,000 to $600,000 price range. You'll see the graph here. This green line shows the pending contracts. This black line shows the properties for sale. So you can see pending properties are outpacing inventory all the way up till almost about the $700,000 price point before those lines actually intersect again. Now, in the last 6 months, almost 10,000 homes have successfully sold, 9,910 homes to be exact, with a median sales price of about $380,000. Again, that's the entire North Dallas area. Again, the $300,000 to $400,000 price range has been very, very active. We've had about 1,600 homes in the last 6 months come on the market, and for one reason or another, either fail to sell or get removed off the market. But again, we've been extremely busy here. The market's been phenomenal. When we're looking at the days on market, which means how long is it taking a home to sell? Well, there's two stories you want to pay attention to. When we look at the homes that are selling, okay, they've been selling and sitting on the market for just 20 days. When you look at the homes currently available on the market, these are the active homes. The average active home has been sitting on the market for about 39 days, which means the best homes, because the average is selling in 20, the best homes are selling very quickly and much faster than 20 days. Now, as a home buyer, that's something you want to pay attention to. As a home seller, that speaks to aggressive marketing, getting your home positioned well. It's not uncommon right now for us still to be seeing multiple offers in homes selling within the first day or first weekend of coming on the market. In the last 30 days, this is the most current number that we have access to. The average days on market for a home that received an offer was 14 days. So that's speaking to exactly what I was just talking about. The list price to sales price ratio, this is the amount of flexibility from where a home is listed to what these sellers are actually accepting for an offer. And that's 98.5%. So sellers are getting within 1.5% of their asking price. And let's take a look at these two charts here. What this is showing is our days on market have started to kind of go up based by price point. Nothing crazy. Median sales price. We've seen the median sales price jump about 20,000 from June to July. It held steady, and now we're pacing another $10,000 jump here in the last 30 days, which just means the home values are continuing to see upward momentum. While in this graph on the right, the days on market are going down. So we've seen home values going up and homes selling faster. So from about the mid-20s down to, like I said, about 14 days on the market. So that's what's happening. And as always, we break everything down by price range so you can see specifically where does your home fit in? What does this mean to you? Now, just for those of you who are just joining us, so you know, in today's post, what we're doing different is below the post, you're going to have links to every single city that we do market update reports for. So this is North Dallas, encompassing Frisco, McKinney, Plano, Little Elm, the Colony, Salina, all the areas that we service. You can get access to those links below. This is a snapshot of the overall market by price range. What I want to take some time and point out, notice this red. This red is what we call the absorption rate. In real estate terms, that means how many months supply of inventory, how many months of homes are existing on the market. And what this means to you as a home buyer or seller is when you start to hear terms like buyer's market, seller's market. Well, a seller's market is classified anything less than 4 months supply. A normal market is going to be 5 or 6 months supply of inventory. A buyer's market is where inventory levels get over 6 months supply, which means there's a lot of homes on the market comparative to the amount of buyers actively looking. Well, if you'll notice, we're under 2 months supply of inventory in every single price bracket up to $1.1 million. So all price brackets are seeing a surge in buyer demand right now. And the hottest market right now in the North Dallas is going to be that, that kind of entry level 200 to 500, but it stays hot, like under a month's supply, all the way up to $600,000. So what does that mean? And I'll go back full screen again. You guys have access to all of this information that we share with you every single month. You can download. What this means is if you are a seller and you're on the fence wondering, should I be selling now or should I be waiting till next year? The clear evidence is showing there is such limited competition right now that in such strong buyer demand, homes are selling at a record pace, and home values are at values we have not seen ever. So it's a really great opportunity for a home seller. Now, we don't know what's going to happen here in the coming months, but we know what's existing now. And what's happening now is due to the lack of inventory, good quality homes for sale. Buyers are having to compete, and that's driving up the prices. Okay. So if you've been thinking about selling your home and you're just kind of unsure and you're just questioning, what you can get for your home, reach out. Let's have a conversation. You may be shocked at how much more you can put in your pocket in this market right now than you even thought your home was worth. That's what we're seeing right now. For home buyers, you're saying, well, Alex, this is all bad news. It's absolutely not, because interest rates have dropped so dramatically, down below 3%. Last report I saw was somewhere to 2.8% interest rates. Home affordability is at an all-time high for a home buyer. You can borrow more money. You can buy more house for your payment right now than you've ever been able to buy. So last year, you may have been looking at homes at the $500,000 price point, where today that same monthly payment, you could be looking at $600,000, $625,000 houses. So your purchasing power has really strengthened. Your monthly payment has become a lot more affordable. This is a win-win opportunity market right now for home buyers and sellers. And there are people who are taking advantage of it right now. So if you have questions as to whether or not is this the right time for you based on your situation, just reach out. We'd love to answer any questions, help you come up with a good, solid home buying or selling strategy and plan so you can take advantage of what's happening in the market. You can send us a direct message. You can give us a call. You can go to our website, whatever you prefer, reach out. We'd love to chat, answer any questions, point you in the right direction so you can make the best decision for you, your family, with what's going on right now in the market. Again, we're doing things a little bit different. We're going to be focusing on the North Dallas Real Estate Housing Update Report. Below the post, you guys will have access to Frisco, Prosper, McKinney, Plano, and the North Dallas report. All 5 you can download. So if you live in a specific city and you want to see what's happening in your city versus what's happening in all of North Dallas, we're going to provide that to you guys as well. So I appreciate it. If you guys have any comments, questions, feel free to leave them right here below this video. Our goal is to bring you the most educated, up-to-date information of what's happening right now in the real estate market. We appreciate you guys. We will be back for the December report. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, thoughts, reach out. That's what we're here for. We appreciate you guys. Again, this is Alex with eXp Realty, your housing specialist here in North Dallas, your real estate expert. We appreciate you, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.